Happy New Year. Welcome back to Gloria's Anniversary Kitchen. Today we're making simple salad. Yeah, so this is the leaves, mixed leaves that I'm going to use. I have my water here. This is salt. Add some salt to the water to rinse or wash your salad leaves. Wash and drain the water. I'll take this opportunity to say Happy New Year once again to you all, and then thanks for your love and support to my channel. Now this is the sweet baby peppers. And take the seeds out. All my new subscribers, you are welcome, and I really appreciate your support. And the old subscribers, say God bless you for being or staying with me for all this while. Love you and keep supporting your sister. So now I added my feta cheese, and then I'm adding my fruits, and this is blueberries. So beautiful salad and simple and healthy. So you can use any fruit of your choice. You don't have to be blueberries. I'm using olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Salad is ready. Yummy, beautiful salad. Sprinkle some black pepper. So please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so to support your sister. Stay blessed. Enjoy the year with the blessings. And stay healthy